Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I will teach you how to set up your computer hardware and install Windows 10 step by step. Before that, my name is Mohd Aqbal bin Mohd Ridzuan. I am from Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris. So please like, comment, share and subscribe my video to get more info. First, before we boot or installing computer hardware, we must make sure we follow all safety rules in aspect of physical, hardware, electrical and equipment. Make sure you wear a proper apparel. Do not wear losing fitting clothing, ring, bracelet and also watch. Make sure you open it before you start installing the hardware. Next, keep your area work clean and no water or food around you. Check all the circuit and also damaged component. And lastly, the most important of safety rule, ABC. Always be careful. So remember, Jerry Smith already said, walking safely is like a breathing. If you do not, you die. Second, unplug all computer equipment to avoid from a danger. So before we open the covering case, okay? Okay, so now before we install the hardware component, we must know the detail and the purpose of the hardware first. So today, the main component in computer I want to teach you is the power supply, motherboard, processor, GPU, RAM and hard disk. So the first component I want to explain to you is this power supply. Specifically, power supply is convert the alternating high voltage current is AC into direct current DC. Okay, they also provide a signal to a motherboard to indicate when the voltage is gone, so that computer is able to safely power up and boot. So many brands out there are very famous. For mine is the old one, the old version, so no other version is come out. So this version is Pentium 4. So from Pentium, right now in the market so many like Corsair and FGA. In online shopping, the range of this hardware around RM132 until 325, depend of the power, quality and also brand. So the second part of hardware in computer I want to introduce you is the motherboard. So the function of motherboard is more like backbone of the computer, because the function of motherboard is a one single platform that connect all the part of the computer together. So we have so many big company around there who are manufacturer of motherboard like Intel, Acer and MSI. So motherboard in computer is around 200 until it can reach until 1000, depends on the quality, brand and also the price. So you can buy a product at the Acer, MSI or Intel store around your house, and also you can buy through online in their website. RAM is known as a random access memory. RAM is the most important component because RAM is your system short-term data storage to make your computer can access quickly. Other than that, in other words, the more program your system running, the more memory your computer need. So RAM can make your computer run smooth. So RAM also has so many type and choice in market. Like now I see so many RAM have RGB light. So like in the market right now we have Kingston, Patriot and many more. So I use the Kingston 4GB. So the price is depend on how many gig we provide for 4GB, 8GB or 60GB or more. So remember, the increase of the gigabyte, so more increase the RAM become more pricey. So the price is around, I see for the 4GB right now 100 to 300, depend on the brand. You can buy it online shopping or any website that sell component part because it's easy to find. For my computer, I use HDD hard disk drive, but right now I see so many computer out there use SSD, solid state drive. The function of HDD is store data permanently. HDD use a magnetic spinning disk in the inside. And SSD is more pricey but have a better performance and can make your computer more faster than HDD. But even HDD have more capacity in storage, like me use Western Digital 320 gigabyte, but it can make your computer run slow after a long time. So the famous brand right now in the outside is Western Digital, Toshiba, CK, Samsung, and also many more. To buy its official website or at the online shopping, its price is around 200 400, depend on the how many storage you want. We have from 5 gigabyte until 4 terabyte. I want to show you is the processor. Processor is also known as the central processor unit, CPU. So the purpose of processor is more like our brain, is perform all the type of data processing operation. So it also store data and control the operation of a part of the computer. The brands have so many choice, like I use the Intel, the oldest version, Intel Pentium. Right now Intel has so many brand, so many product like Intel Celeron, Intel i7, Intel Core i3, i7, i9, i5, and also we also have Ryzen 3, 5, and 9, and so many. But remember, the more powerful your processor become, the more money you must spend. So the price I see in the market right now, it can reach 300 until 4,000 ringgit. It depends on the brand and also the generation. So you can buy it near the computer store or just visit your website. what is a window? Before we start to install Windows 10 to our computer, we must know first what is Windows. Windows is an operating system that designed by Microsoft. The founder is the Bill Gates, you know, right? But for MacBook by Apple, it uses operating system we call a Mac OS operating system.